Good morning and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you ways that you can adjust the size of your brush as well as give you more practice opportunities for mark making. In Photoshop, to lower the size of your brush, you'll want to use the left bracket key. That will lower the size of your brush. The right bracket key will increase the size of your brush, and it's not uncommon to have to lower or raise the size of your brush depending upon what you're doing. It's a good idea to practice and have these keyboard shortcuts in your head so that way you can interactively just make your lines bigger or make your lines super thin. And even within that, you can see that the lines that I've drawn here show line weight and also show line confidence. So with that being said, with the brush, another exercise that I think is really good to practice, especially if you're trying to train your arm to draw, is to put your palm on the surface of your tablet and just basically draw a set of circles. And what you're trying to do is, I'm lightly, really the only part that's really resting on my tablet is my pinky. It's not really my palm, but I'm using my entire arm and I'm making a set of circles. And you can vary that out by going ahead and making spirals. And it's not so important, the precision of the circles. Just focus on your arm movement. That's really the biggest thing. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get these nice, crisp marks, as opposed to something like this. Right, this is me using my wrist, and so you can see that the lines are never going to really, they're going to be wobbly and kind of a little bit, just off. I don't know how to really describe it, but you want to use your entire arm as you're working, and you can even hear my chair kind of creaking because I'm moving my entire arm, which is also causing my entire body to also move too. So this is another really great exercise. You can practice drawing your circles, you can practice drawing your stars, you can practice drawing swirls, and then see if you can go ahead and just draw straight lines from left to right, top to bottom. And it is going to be a workout for your arms, but if you practice these exercises, I promise you, you will develop the ability to have more line confidence when you draw. And it's really important that as you're learning how to do this, to include this as part of your warm-ups every day, just to kind of get your arms trained for the things that you're about to draw. So again, just to review, left bracket lowers the size of the brush, right bracket increases the size of your brush. Definitely keep that in mind and practice some of these line confidence exercises, and I think you're going to be on your way. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.